Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making green onion cakes, so let's get started. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. We'll take 3/4 cups of boiling water and we'll put that in with the flour. And now just knead this with your hands. To get to this point, I added in about 1 tablespoon of warm water and also a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And now that it's already kneaded, I'm just putting it in a plastic wrap here and just let it rest for about 30 minutes. While the dough is getting rested, I'm making a roux to put in the dough. So I have 1/4 cup of flour and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. After letting it rest for 30 minutes, I'm just gonna roll it out. But first, what you want to do is cut it into 4 pieces. And then just put them into balls. To roll it as thin as possible and add in some flour as well, just so that it's not sticking on to your rolling pin. The dough doesn't have to be perfect because what we'll be using here is the roux. So you want to just lay the roux on here first. And the reason that we're doing this is that so it gets a little bit more crispier. Your green onions. And it's up to you how much you want to put on here. Just roll it up. For my dough, I just had to make it a little bit thinner and longer. Add a little bit more water if you needed. But other than that, if it's long and thin, now we can just start rolling it. And that's what gives it the most amount of layers when we are going to roll this. I'll show you what I mean here. And then this, just tuck it in like so. At the bottom. And we'll let this one rest for a little bit. Roll this part out. And as you can see here, because we rolled it here, it's gonna give it more layers to the cakes. Just add a little bit of oil on your pan and then put in your green onion cakes. This is it. This is my video and my version of the green onion cakes. And if you haven't tried this, I do recommend that you do. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, I do want to say you can have this green onion cake with some hot sauce. So let's do this. Mmm.